Las Vegas can turn anything into a show, huh?
Oh, yeah.
We're obviously on the back end.
Yeah. Wow, that's cool.
What beautiful.
This is a hell of a display.
This is, and you know, it's amazing how they.
I mean, this is, bless you, spectacular.
Yeah.
Three more minutes until it gets imploded.
Is that right?
Yep.
I think that's amazing. Whatever. Or that might just be light. Do you think that's just a light?
No, it's the
It's
drones.
drones.
It's
Yeah.
drones.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay.
I wonder if that group on AGT are the ones that are doing this.
I don't know, there's companies that do this.
Yeah, they do all their drones. I mean,
God, feels like they're right here.
that was kind of backwards, wasn't it? Oh, now they come to this way. Okay.
That's something.
What time is it? 2:36.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
8,
7, 6, 5,
2.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Which one goes first?
Right.
Can you
Wow.
imagine being a war-torn, I mean, and you listen to this on a daily basis? Holy
Did you
shit.
feel the room shake?
Yeah,
my God,
it
look
was.
at all Wow.
That is scary. Ooh.
Everything just went dark.
Just a pile of dust.
Yep.
That guy's running off the roof now. Running.
You can see what, right?
Just down in the floor.
Oh,
Yep,
yeah, I
yeah.
do see.
But it must be. Look at all that smoke and stuff there.
See,
I wonder
well,
how long it takes for that to settle down.
They got the roads closed till 6.
Here it comes.
I
Here
wouldn't-
comes the
I was
smoke.
gonna say I wouldn't want to be around that shit.
No,
Where's that guy? He's on the roof still. Does he go down?
No, he's down now.
that, yeah.
Now
They
he's-
see,
No, it's there.
they see some people
Here it
walking.
comes.
Okay.
Wow. That is bizarre.
There's 2 guys.
You don't want to inhale that.
No.
I'm surprised that we could feel it here.
Oh,
I
I
mean,
know. It
you-
just felt like everything
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
Oh my God. It didn't take long, did it?
No, not
Nope.
one sit.
Wow, look at the smoke.
Now you can see the full Mandalay Bay. Be able to see all of Luxor now.
Yeah.
Until the stadium goes up.
That was really something to see. Oof.